Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. Lightweight but powerful, the DJI Mini 5 Pro wraps pro-grade camera gear and smart flight features into a drone under 250 grams. Let's explore what it offers. Design. With a takeoff weight of about 249.9 grams, the Mini 5 Pro stays under most global registration thresholds. Folded dimensions are compact at 157 by 95 by 68 millimeters, making it portable. It operates in a range from -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, so it handles cold mornings and warm afternoons alike. Performance. This drone delivers up to 36 minutes of flight time with the standard battery. Transmission range is strong, up to about 10 kilometers under CE regulations and up to 20 kilometers under FCC. Intelligent flight modes like quick shots, waypoint flight, active track 360 degrees, and a reliable return-to-home system round out its autonomous capabilities. Cameras. Imaging gets serious. A 1-inch, 50-megapixel CMOS sensor, f1.8 aperture, producing impressive detail and low-light performance. Videographers get 4K recording up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow motion, plus 10-bit color modes like D-Log-M and HLG. A gimbal that rotates 225 degrees unlocks vertical shooting without loss of framing. Battery. Power comes from a 2,788 milliamp-hour flight battery, giving the quoted 36 minutes of airtime in ideal conditions. The battery is removable, so you can swap or carry extras for longer shoots. Exact full charge time isn't crystal clear yet, but performance is modern and competitive for this class. More. Storage includes 42 gigabytes internal memory with support for external microSD expansion. You get GNSS-enabled GPS, a built-in gyroscope for stable flight, and use of controllers like the RCN3 or RC2 in Fly More combos. Obstacle sensing includes LiDAR for the front, vision sensors, and improves return home safety and low-light navigation. Show.